Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into a showdown between two mirrorless titans, the Nikon Z6 II and the Canon EOS R100. One is a full-frame beast, and the other is a compact cutie. Which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The Nikon Z6 II is priced at $1,996, which is a hefty investment. Reviewers appreciate its performance, but note it comes at a premium. In contrast, the Canon EOS R100 is much more wallet-friendly at $599, making it a popular choice for beginners and those on a budget. Reviewers highlight its affordability as a major advantage, especially for those just starting their photography journey. Now, let's discuss image quality. The Nikon Z6 II features a 24.5 megapixels BSI sensor excelling in low-light conditions. Many reviewers praise its sharp photos and low-light performance, making it ideal for night photography. On the other hand, the Canon R100 has a 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor. While it produces good images, some users feel it doesn't perform as well in low light. Reviewers appreciate the R100's image quality for family photos, but note it can struggle in darker environments compared to the Z6 II. Next, let's talk autofocus capabilities. The Nikon Z6 II boasts improved AF performance that reviewers describe as fast and reliable, making it great for capturing moving subjects. The Canon R100 features dual-pixel CMOS AF with up to 143 zones, which is decent, but some users express frustration with its autofocus consistency. Reviewers of the Z6 II consistently commend its autofocus system, while the R100's AF has received mixed feedback, particularly from more experienced users. Let's roll into video capabilities. The Nikon Z6 II offers 4K UHD video at 60p, which is a standout feature for vlogging and filmmaking. Reviewers rave about its video quality and versatility. On the flip side, the Canon R100 is more suited for casual video recording, like family gatherings. While it can shoot video, it's not as feature-rich as the Z6 II, leading some users to recommend it primarily for still photography. Finally, let's discuss build and usability. The Nikon Z6 II is robust and built for durability, perfect for professional use and outdoor shoots. Reviewers appreciate its solid construction and intuitive design. The Canon R100, however, is lightweight and compact, making it a great travel companion. Users love its portability for family outings and casual photography, but some feel it lacks the ruggedness of the Z6 II. Overall, the Nikon Z6 II is praised for its exceptional performance, especially for low-light photography and video capabilities. Reviewers highlight its autofocus and image quality, making it a great choice for professionals or serious enthusiasts. In contrast, the Canon EOS R100 is celebrated for its affordability and ease of use, making it an excellent option for beginners, though it has received mixed reviews regarding its autofocus reliability and overall performance in challenging conditions. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for top-notch video performance, low-light capabilities, and pro-level autofocus, the Nikon Z6 II is the way to go. If you want a lightweight, budget-friendly option that still delivers great image quality, the Canon R100 is your new best friend. It all boils down to your needs and your budget. Remember, folks, whether you're snapping selfies or capturing the next blockbuster, always buy smart. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our epic product comparisons. Until next time, Keep clicking and keep shopping smart.